Yeah, so hey guys, this is the recipe of chicken biryani that we are going to cook today, and this is the marinated chicken. I apologize that I could not show you the marination process, but I can definitely tell you that what I have used in the marination. So I have used ginger, garlic, and onion paste, and also I have put some salt and turmeric and plain curd, of course. And yes, I have also used the chili powder and also some raw chilies which I have cut into small pieces. And yes, so and now we are frying them along with some onions. We are going to fry this chicken very well, and make sure you use the mustard oil, because whatever you fry in the mustard oil becomes a little bit more tasty than the white oil or the refined oil. And here we're adding few potatoes, and make sure you cut these potatoes in these sizes, or you can also cut them in bigger sizes, but don't use the smaller size because this is the ideal size for chicken biryani, or even you can use mutton biryani. You can use the same size potatoes, and we will just keep mixing them well. Always keep the flame on high at the starting because it needs to get fried very nicely. So after we are done with the frying of the potatoes, then we can separate those potatoes and put it in the cooker. And in the cooker we already have our rice, which we have only washed and nothing else. And please make sure that you are using the long grain basmati rice, because those long grain basmati rice are the ideal ones that you are going to need it for the biryani. And after the chicken is done, we are also going to add some chicken in the cooker. You may add as much as pieces as you like. You may add it all, or you can keep the remaining to eat with the biryani. Now we are going to add water for the biryani. And we will just mix them well. We will add some more water and add the water accordingly. So here we are adding some homemade garam masalas, and if you need the recipe for the garam masala, please comment down in the comment section and I will definitely reply you back. And after adding the garam masalas, we will again mix them well. And these are the fried onions which we are going to add later. So now we are just checking the water level. I think we may need some more water, and yes, we are adding. And so yeah, the cooker is now set on fire and we are ready to go. So here also we are using some keora water. This water gives a very nice flavor and a very nice aroma to your biryani, and we will be also adding some ghee. And now we will close the lid. and wait for the cooker to give a whistle.
दरअसल हम 5 रुपए वाला चिकन बिरयानी
Yes, we are done, and now it's the moment of the truth. And yes, so I think this looks good. So here now we'll be adding a little bit of ghee. You can add as much as you want. And now we will mix them well. So yes, this turned out very good. The rice looks so good, the long grain rice, and of course you could not smell, but when I was there I was smelling. It was very good to smell. And here we'll be adding the fried onions. This is the last step. You can also add a little bit of mint leaves, but I did not have at the time, so I could not use them. And now we will just mix them well, and that's it. Now it's ready to eat. The biryani was really very tasty. It was just ravenous, and I would suggest that everyone should go for this method. It's not a tough task to cook chicken biryani. I recommend you guys to try it out, and do comment in the comment section how did it came out. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and please do subscribe.